trade, tourism, lands, and mineral resources. This morning, it is an immense pleasure, staff and students. Good morning.
To the management and staff of St. Dr. Andra Sangam College, the education officer, Anurada Osa, National Secretary, Dakshina India, Andra Sangam, Fiji, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Lands, Mineral Resources, invited guests, teachers, and students. Bulvinaka, Dorvina, and a very good morning to all of you. It's indeed a pleasure for me to be here today to officiate at your annual awards, and this is truly a special day. First of all, congratulations to all of you. You should be very, very proud of yourselves for accomplishing this particular goal, and well done. I know you must be all excited to get your hands on your certificates and run out into the world for those of you that are in year 13. But as cartoonist Gary Trudeau said, and I quote, "Commencement speeches were invented largely in the belief that outgoing college students should never be released into the world until they have been properly sedated," unquote. And that's where I come in as the keynote speaker. I'll try not to sedate you too badly. To the families of those graduating and earning certifications and awards, congratulations to you. And you should know that your support through this particular process made an enormous impact. And I'm sure that you're very proud of you, the graduates, as they close this particular portion of their lives and prepare for the next steps in their careers. Graduation, ladies and gentlemen, is one of those steps in life that defines the coming of age and the ending of one era of life as a student, or the one being shown the ropes and moving on to a new stage in which you are a leader, a doer, and an achiever in the wider world. I'm sure many of you, years 12 and 13, have firm plans and a very good idea of what's coming next. And some of you have a pretty good idea of what you want to do next, a dream and a lot of hope to actually get you there. And some of you are just amazed that you got to this particular graduation point at all. Well, the coming times, ladies and gentlemen, and kids, will be very exciting. They'll be trying, but they will all be dependent on one particular thing, that is you and your determination. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we acknowledge the achievements of those brilliant students who've made both school and their parents very proud. And this annual prize-giving program is held to recognize the young talents who have made an immense contribution to our school and to the society. These brilliant students exhibit such qualities that will not only help them in achieving their goals, but also bring joy and success to our school academy. Today we've also gathered here not just to celebrate the achievements of the students, but also to give due regard to our values and our morals, which all these exemplify, and like discipline, compassion, and a zest for learning. Awards, ladies and gentlemen, are a way to encourage good behavior and inculcate some competitive spirit. And this is the reason why schools actually organize award ceremonies every year to encourage the students. So we are here to give away the awards from year 9 to year 13 in the form awards and subject prize categories. The awards to be distributed today are not just for recognizing those students who have actually performed exceptionally well in their academics, but also to honor those students who have excelled in special national competitions, such as the Fiji mathematics competitions, Westpac Women's Grant Essay Competition, and the Coca-Cola Games, to name a few. The aim is to recognize that extra talent of our students, and other than the academics, and can motivate them to shine in their respective fields. For those students who have not won a prize, please do not lose hope, as this is not the end of everything, and there will be many more opportunities coming your way to prove your mettle. School award ceremonies are just the beginning, and I have a very inspiring line for all of you, said by George W. Bush, the former President of the United States, and I quote, "To those of you who have received honors, awards, and distinctions, I say well done. And to the C students, I say to you that you can be President of the United States." Now, quote. Ladies and gentlemen, your institution, the Sinatoka Andhra Sangam College, a multicultural school managed by the Dakshina India Andhra Sangam of Fiji, has always provided its students with a healthy and fairly competitive environment to help them grow in every sphere of activity, be it academics, be it sports, or any other extracurricular role. It has given equal opportunities to all students so that they recognize their true potential and get ready to face the outer world once they complete their school and studies. And I'm much pleased to see the students performing and excelling in their respective areas of interest. Having said that, I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the principal, the vice principal, and the board members for taking Andhra to new heights and creating a distinct path for students to follow. I'd also like to extend special thanks to all the parents and all the supporters for joining us and making this occasion a huge success. For those of you that are leaving in school here, and for those of you that are still here, there is one thing that's extremely important to Fiji, and I wish to pass this message on from the Honorable Prime Minister. Climate change is something that is very important to us. And you, the kids, are the agents for change. And you must remember that. So anything you do, whether it's your eating habits, whether it's your farming habits, or whatever it is that you do at home, from here on in, please ensure that you may put that at the forefront of your mind. It is something that is important to our country. You know, we have done something very historical. Our Honorable Prime Minister is the President of COP23, and never before has a small island state actually taken up that presidency. It is historical, it is important for every Fijian, and we must get behind our Honorable Prime Minister, and we must show the rest of the world that climate change is such an important issue that affects our daily lives. So to all the kids, please put that at the forefront of your mind in all that you do. So with those few words, I wish the students of Sinatoka Andhra Sangam College all the best in your future endeavors. And at this time, I must also say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. God bless Nawaleo. Thank you very much.
Second prize getter is Shana. And a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And that concludes the